Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about this brand called Nu Skin. So it's a beauty brand and it does lots of different cosmetics, beauty therapies, and they are absolutely amazing. And I got this really heavy package from Nu Skin and it's got so many beauty products in it. Can you see that? It's completely filled with beauty products, cosmetics, it's crazy. I'm going to be reviewing their brand new PowerLips Fluid liquid lipsticks. They have 9 different shades and they are absolutely amazing from what I've heard. So I'm going to be swatching each colour for you, seeing how they apply and how they wear. So this is the packaging of the PowerLips Fluid from Nu Colour, which is the same as Nu Skin, but it's just the cosmetics part of it. Okay, so I'm just having a look on their website. They have, as I said, 9 different shades. One called Confidence, Breadwinner, Ruler, Unbreakable, Raw, REGN, Maven, Determined, Persistence. So as I said, I've got every single shade here and I'm going to be swatching them for this video. So my mum and I are selling all of Nu Skin products. That's why I've ordered all of these shades in so I can review them and promote them. So they contain vitamin E, which nourishes, softens and moisturises the skin. So that prevents the dryness that liquid lipsticks can give. Avocado oil, which hydrates and softens the skin. Beeswax soothes and conditions the skin. And that is what I'm very excited for because I do love to have some hydrated lips. This is the packaging of the lipstick itself. So that's the applicator doe foot. So the first colour that I'm going to be swatching is Confidence. First impressions, the pigmentation is absolutely amazing. They are so smooth and glide on so perfectly, and I only used one dip of this lipstick to cover up my whole lips, and I do have very big lips, so for one dip to cover my whole lips is just amazing, I feel. Right, so that is all of the PowerLips Fluids by New Skin. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm currently wearing Breadwinner here on my lips because it really matches my orangey eye look that I've got on today. They have such a beautiful range of colours, and I'm sure that you can see that too, and hopefully they will come out with some more shades. So if there is anything you'd like me to do on my channel or anything you would like me to review, then please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.